Just buy 10 Lego kits, throw them all on the floor and build something new out of it. You may be surprised. You may make some mistakes, but that's the idea, is to figure out how far can we push this and where are our limits. We need to show how education is stepping into the new world of digital and how we're putting the stepping stones in place for whatever may come next. To just not let ourselves be limited by anything that we already know. The room is a part of the brain, the rest of it is the platforms out there.
The University of Cape Town Graduate School of Business is unique because we are a bridge between Africa and the rest of the world. We really prepare leaders to step into an uncertain future. We're focused on sustainability, on impact, and on understanding complex environments. Even before the pandemic, we were thinking about ways to be able to use technology to bring the world into our classroom.
We knew it was coming, the digital change. Suddenly our environment became incredibly uncomfortable.
The unthinkable happened and we had to shut down, but we were ready. We could leverage off the work that we've already done. We were ready to allow any presenter or audience member to join either in room physically or virtually. When someone walks in, plugs in a device, the room automatically realizes someone is about to project from that device. We have a microphone in the ceiling. That microphone has the technology to pinpoint the speaker and zoom in. The camera follows the lecturer and the online audience can see what's written on that board. The back wall disappearing was so that you could bring more students in the class without them losing the connected experience.
The gift of the technology, we're able to bring our sort of old school ways of teaching into the digital space. We found a way for these two to work together.
When you build spaces like this, you need a partner to bring together things that we as individuals may not have thought of. When we sat down with Dimension Data, I asked them to close their eyes so that we can try and build this for a non-present experience. So the kind of technology we brought in that's never been used in normal room situation because the technology was just out of reach at the time. It just didn't fit anything. We now have 7 lecture theatres that are digitally enabled.
It's so important to work with partners who not only understand the technology, but who understand what the school is trying to do. Our technology in our classrooms is built around humans first. That is because Dimension Data and NTT have been so extraordinary.
We are better as humans together. We work together, but making us more innovative, making us maybe braver sometimes. It also serves the purpose of support, of motivation, of inspiration. That's a very difficult thing to find as an island of one.